Okay, I don't know who out there is having the same issues that we are with a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the full moonroof options, and here is an issue we were having in here. The sunroof, if you put it in the sliding motion to the back, would only come partway forward, and it would constantly want to go back and forth, back and forth. We took it into the dealership and they said that the housing was cracked and it would be an $800 part. Just the part, not counting how much it was going to cost to install it. We opted not to mess with doing that because the vent portion of it constantly worked on a regular basis. Came home to try to figure out how to bypass the switch, and I dropped down the control panel. And what you find if you want to bypass this is when you get this plug pulled out of the receiver for the sunroof itself, where it connects, there's the side that it connects into, you go to the far back right hand corner, passenger side, right hand, however you want to say it. There's one solid orange, possibly a light gray stripe that shows up on it. It probably doesn't show up on the camera. But going through and testing this, when you pull this plug out, you can pull it if you have the right kind of tool to get that out of there, or you can snip it. But I did it this way to play it safe so that I knew that I didn't cut the wrong wire. And when I connect this back in, kind of hard to do with one hand, bear with me, plug it in, I can go back and hit vent, and I can still close. Plenty of operation, wife's happy, no issues. I hit the button for it to slide back, and I get nothing. Absolutely no issues. So now there's no way you can accidentally hit the switch to get your sunroof in the far back position and get stuck when you go somewhere trying to figure out how to close it, because the override does not always seal it. That's what caused us to have to take it into the dealership to have them check it out. So now, just by pulling the one wire, we still have the vent operation. I hope this helps, because I have not been able to find any videos on here to tell you how to do that. You can look for other videos to find out how to pull this down, but that's super easy. So that's it. I hope it helps.